Hi, I'm Andy Roberts, Technical Fellow at Desktop Metal and inventor of Sinter. Sinter is Desktop Metal's sintering simulation and distortion compensation software. Sinter enables you to predict the shrinkage and distortion that occurs during sintering and then automatically generate what we call negative offset geometry. So rather than print your part straight and have it come out warped, Sinter prints the part counter-warped so that it will sinter to straight. With Sinter, we took a radical new approach. Rather than try to fight nature and prevent parts from distorting in the furnace, we decided to embrace nature and let parts shrink and distort as they will, and then compensate for this behavior by automatically generating our own negative offset geometry. The results are significant. We can eliminate up to 50% of the cost by eliminating printed supports, and we can achieve accuracies of 1% or lower with our scan adjustment capabilities. We also took a radical new approach to solving the problem. Rather than work from first principles that nobody actually understands enough to make work in practice, we chose to use powerful GPU-based gaming physics from NVIDIA and tune the results to use machine learning to get accuracy. We call this working from second principles, and since it works and gives good results, we go with it, and it's super fast. Most complete simulations take 15 to 30 minutes. Sinter provides three main areas of functionality. One is automated support generation. These are minimal supports designed to save money but still enable Sinter to compensate for any distortions. The second is our predictive simulation and negative offset compensation. This lets you predict the shape and generate the geometry that'll sinter to straight without ever having to print an experimental part first. You can't even use CAD systems like SolidWorks or CATIA to get shapes that Sinter generates. We counterwarp the geometry without introducing noise or losing any of the fine details like sharp edges, surface finishes, or tiny holes. And finally, we have a world-class scan adjustment capability built in that can average your scans and work with dropouts and missing data to do volumetric scan adjustments. This is the only software in the world that does this on complex parts with hidden internal passages. Sinter has been in production for over a year and in development for over 4 years. We've run it on thousands of the most complex parts, supports, and even complex setter geometries used in MIM. We've tuned it to run on everything from stainless steels like 17-4 and 316, copper, silver, aluminum, tool steels, and even ceramics on a wide range of DM printers and even some third-party players. I encourage everyone who's doing BinderJet 3D printing to use Sinter. It's easy and fast and will significantly reduce your printing costs while improving your part accuracy. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about Sinter.